Hello fellows, we are discussing arithmetic progression exercise 1.2. So today's section I am going to solve the third main. Look at the third main. In the following APs, find the missing term in the box. So look at the first, here the given 2 and empty box and 26. So here we want to find out that missing term. So write down given here, solution given the given first term. So a1 is 2 and also the given a3 is 26 and here missing term is a2. Here we want to find out a2. Is it clear? And we know that formula an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here they given a3, so n is replaced by 3. So a3 equal to a plus 3 minus 1 into d. And now here a3 as it is, a plus 3 minus 1 is 2d, and here we have first term and a3. So substitute that value. Here a3 is 26 and a is 2. So substitute this value. A3 is 26, a is 2 plus 2d. So 2 comes in a LHS side, it become a minus. So 26 minus 2 equal to 2d. And now here 26 minus 2 is 24, this equal to 2d. And here 2 ones are 2, 12s are 24. So here d equal to 12. Is it clear? And here we want second term. So we have an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here we want a2. So a2 equal to a plus n is a 2 minus 1 into d. So here a plus d. So a2 equal to a plus d. So now substitute the value a2 as it is. So here a is the first term they only given 2 plus d is 12. So a2 equal to 2 plus 12 is 14. So a2 is 14. So write down conclusion here. Therefore 14 is the missing term. Is it clear? So well, look at the next question. So here missing first term and a third term missing, and they given here second and a fourth term. So write down given a2 is 13 and a4 is 3, and here missing term a1 and a3. So here we want to find out first term and third term. So write down here, we know that an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, and here the given a2 and a4 term. So I will consider here first a2 equal to a plus 2 minus 1 into d, and now it become a2 equal to a plus d, and we know that the value of a2, so substitute that one. A2 is 13, so this equal to a plus d. Call this equation 1. And now here, and a4 equal to a plus 4 minus 1 into d. So a4 equal to a plus 4 minus 1 is 3D, and we know that the A4 value, so substitute that one. A4 is 3, so this is equal to A plus 3D, and call this equation 2. And now here on subtracting 1 from 2, we get, so what is the equation 2? Look at here, 3 equal to A plus 3D. So 3 equal to A plus 3D, and equation 1 is 13 equal to A plus D. So here 13 equal to A plus D. So now here minus means opposite symbol. 3 minus 13 is minus 10, and here plus A minus A get cancelled, and remaining here 3D minus D is 2D. So 2 1s are 2 5s are, so here D equal to 5. So here we got D is minus 5. So now from equation 1, so what is our equation 1? 13 equal to A plus D. So here 13 as it is, A as it is, so D is minus 5. So now A equal to 13 plus 5. 5 comes in LHS side, it become a plus. So 13 plus 5 is 18. So here A is 18. So first term is 18. And here we want third term. So now an equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So A3 equal to A plus 3 minus 1 into D. So now A plus 3 minus 1 is 2D. So here A is 18 plus 2 and D is minus 5. So now here 18 minus 2 into minus 5 is minus 10. So here 18 minus 10 is 8. So here we got third term is 8. So write down the conclusion here. Therefore, the missing terms are 18 and 8 respectively. Is it clear? Well students, look at the next problem, third one. So here they given first term and second, third is missing, and also they given fourth term. So here we want to find out second and third term. So here solution, given first term they given a1 is 5 and they given a4 is 9 integer 1 by 2. So this one we can write 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 1 19 by 2, and here we want to find out a2 and a3. So we know that, so here an equal to a plus n minus 1 into D. So here we have a4. So a4 equal to a plus 4 minus 1 into D. Now here a4 is 19 by 2. So this equal to a is 5. They only given. So 5 plus 4 minus 1 is 3 into D. Is it clear? So now 5 comes in a LHS side, it become a minus. So 19 by 2 as it is minus 5, this equal to 3D. So here take 2 as a LCM. So 2 here 19 minus 5 2s are 10. So this equal to 3d. And now 19 minus 10 is 9 by 2, this equal to 3d. And now 3 comes in a LHS side, it become a division. So 9 by 2 into 3 equal to d. So 3 ones are 3 threes are. So this implies d equal to 3 by 2. So here we have a and d. So now we want to find out a2. So a2 equal to a plus d, and a is they only given, that is 5, plus d is 3 by 2. So now take 2 as a LCM. So here we got 10 plus 3, 5 2s are 10. So here 13 by 2. A2 is 13 by 2, and we want to find out a3. So a3 is a plus 2d. So here a is a 5 plus 2, d is 3 by 2. So now 2 get cancelled. So remaining 5 plus 3. So 5 plus 3 is 8. So write down the conclusion here. Therefore, the missing terms are 13 by 2 and 8 respectively. Is it clear? Well students, look at the next problem. Here the given first term is a minus 4, and second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term are missing, and they given here sixth term is 6. Write down here, given a1 first term is minus 4, and sixth term they given, sixth term is 6. So here we want to find out a2, a3, a4 and a5. First here write down, we know that an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here they given sixth term, so a6 equal to a plus 6 minus 1 into d. So now here a6 they only given 6, and a is they only given, that is minus 4, and plus 6 minus 1 is 5d. So now minus 4 comes in a LHS side, it become a plus. So 6 plus 4 equal to 5d. So now here 6 plus 4 is 10 equal to 5d. So 5 ones are 5 twos are, so d equal to 2. So here we want to find out second term. So a2 equal to a plus d. So first term they only given, that is minus 4, and plus d is 2, just we find out here 2. So here minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. So a2 is minus 2. And now a3 is a plus 2d. So here a is minus 4 plus 2 into d is 2. So here we got minus 4 plus 4. So minus 4 plus 4 is 0. Next a4. So a4 is a plus 3d. So here a is minus 4 plus 3, d is 2. So here minus 4 plus 2 3 is 6. So minus 4 plus 6 is 2. And now a5 equal to a plus 4d. So a is minus 4 plus 4, d is 2. So now minus 4 plus 4 into 2 is 8. So here minus 4 plus 8 is 4. So write down the conclusion here. Therefore the missing terms are -2, 0, 2 and 4 respectively. Is it clear? So well students, look at the next problem. So here first term is a missing and second term is 38 and a third term is missing, fourth term is missing, 5 term is missing and sixth term is 22. Write down here. Given A2 is 38 and A6 is -22. We know that an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So now they given a2 here. So a2 equal to a plus 2 minus 1 into d. So now a2 is 38, a plus 2 minus 1 is 1 into d is d. So call this equation 1. And now here a6 equal to a plus 6 minus 1 into d. So a6 they only given -22. So this equal to a plus 6 minus 1 is 5d. Call this equation 2. So now here on subtracting equation 1 from 2, we get, so what is 2 here? -22. So this equal to a plus 5d. And what is a 1? 38. So this equal to a plus d. So now here subtracting means a opposite symbol. So here -22 and -38 become a -60. So this equal to minus a plus a get cancelled and 5d minus d is 4d. And now 4 ones are 4 15s are, so d equal to -15. So here we got d value. So now find out first term. So a equal to a2 minus d. In a second term minus the common difference we got first term. So a2 they only given, that is 38 and minus d is -15. So now 38 minus into minus plus 15. So add these two, we got 53. Is it clear? So now a3. So a3 is a plus 2d. So what is the a here? A is 53, right? So 53 plus 2 into d is -15. So here 53, 2 into -15 is -30. So 53 minus 30 is 23. And now a4. So a4 is a plus 3d. So what is the a? A is 53 plus 3, d is -15. So here 53, 3 into -15 is -45. So here 53 minus 45 is 8. And now here a5. a5 equal to a plus 4d. So what is the a? A is 53 plus 4 into -15. So here 53 as it is, and 4 into -15 is minus 60. So here 53 minus 60 is minus 7. So write down the conclusion here. Therefore the missing terms are, first one is 53, 23, 8 and minus 7 respectively. Is it clear?